All right, you can't see it at the moment, but I am grinning because it's going to snow a little tomorrow, and I think I'm the only person excited about this.
Oh my goodness, you're excited for that pre-Halloween snow?
It's bring it on. It's time.
You know how I feel, Tony.
Yeah.
Tim's still reflecting on the 78 degrees we had like 11 days ago. Yeah, the rain that we have right now, there's quite a bit of it, a soaker. We'll switch over to some wet snow by early tomorrow morning. So really just a variety of weather over the next roughly 24 hours. We're looking out the window in Newport Harbor now with some fog and some steady rain. So just more of the same. You're heading out, and the rain may be heavy enough to cause at least some localized minor street flooding at times. Let's take a look outside, and you can see in North Kingstown with some fog, some poor visibility, and some steady rain. It's raw, it's chilly, it's in the mid 40s, mid to upper 40s in most locations right now. 46 in Providence, 47 in Bedford, and Taunton checking in at 48. Now it turns colder late tonight, and especially on Friday, and that's why we get a transition over to some wet snow. So the threat tracker now through Friday morning is obviously elevated. For tonight, the concern would be some of the heavy rain and travel impacts, some localized street flooding, a couple of inches of rain. And then we transition over to, for a short time on Friday, snow. So rain to snow, especially northwest part of the state. Where else? Foster, Gloucester, Burrillville. Actually, everybody should see some wet snow for tomorrow morning, early afternoon, but the best chance for at least small accumulations would be areas north and west of Providence. And I'll show you that accumulation map in just a second. It's not a blockbuster, but some small accumulations. Actually, the weather is pretty good. By this time Friday evening, it's drying out and it's clearing out. Your Friday night looks fine. All this green, widespread rain, nothing scattered about it, heavy at times, and this is remnant moisture due in part to what was once Hurricane Zeta. What's left of that circulation is right there, with winds of 50 miles per hour. It'll pass to our south, but obviously the moisture well ahead of it impacting our weather right now with some downpours. When we take a look at the forecast, rain continues overnight tonight. Now this is 5, 6 in the morning, and look at the northern fringes of the rain shield. This blue represents a switch over to wet snow. And this is around 11 a.m. noontime. But watch how rapidly both rain and snow swings offshore and it clears out. So here we are, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's dry. By tomorrow evening, it's clear, windy, cold, and dry. So let's bring you in even closer. All the colors of green and yellow, that represents widespread, steady, soaking rain right on through the overnight. Now let's stop things at 6 a.m. The green and the yellow is rain, temperatures in the 40s. But watch this area of blue swing down from the Berkshires. That is snow. You can see the rain-snow line kind of lined up along Route 95 by 10 a.m. North and west of that, it's wet snow. To the south and east, it's still a cold rain. And then a lot of this winding down. Here we are, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's starting to dry out. And then wouldn't surprise me if we catch maybe a peak of sun before it sets tomorrow evening. This is 5 o'clock, and then clear, windy, much colder Friday night. In fact, a hard freeze is likely Friday night. How much snow Friday morning? Providence Metro, the areas in light blue, like a coating to a half inch, enough to maybe have to get the snow brush and clean off the windshield. But further to the north and west, especially north and west of 295, 1 to 2 inches of snow, slushy snow. An isolated 3-inch amount up here would not surprise me, but generally going 1 to 2 at this point. So more rain tonight. Changing to some wet snow on Friday morning, drying out Friday evening, Friday night. Your Halloween is sunny but cold and dry. At least it's dry. Temperatures in the 40s. Milder on Sunday, upper 50s, a mix of clouds and sun with a scattered shower and a high temperature at around 59 degrees. So good news for Halloween. In the meantime, it's a slow travel tonight. Big ponding of water on the road, so be careful. And for several hours, winter tomorrow morning.
And anybody really headed into Massachusetts? Can we head to Worcester tomorrow?
Yeah, good point. Mass Pike, the Berkshires, northern Worcester County there, 2, 3, 4 inches of snow.
All right. Yeah. We're in a good spot then. We can handle this amount. Sounds good. Tony, thanks so much.